There are some possible solutions to fix the iPhone stuck on hello screen and get your device back to normal. Here in this video, we shall cover 9 well-tried methods to resolve the Apple hello screen issue, ranging from simple charging problems to more advanced repairs. Part 2. Fix iPhone or iPad stuck on hello screen with 8 tricks. Trick 1. Recharge your iPhone. Trick 2. Check for activation lock. Trick 3. Insert the SIM card. Trick 4. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Trick 5. Enter recovery mode. Trick 6. Use DFU mode to factory reset your iPhone. Trick 7. Force restart iPhone. Trick 8. Turn to Apple support. Part 3. Bypass Apple iPhone or iPad stuck on hello screen without data loss resultful. If the concern of data loss while resolving the iPhone or iPad stuck on the hello screen worries you, you have the option to seek assistance from the reliable iOS system recovery